Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Boost Motivation Learning channel. Today's topic is very important. English speaking for office and workplace. If you work in an office or want an office job, this lesson is for you. We will learn simple, polite, professional English used in offices around the world. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Let's begin. Part 2. Office Greetings. In offices, people greet politely. Common greetings: good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Polite daily greetings: how are you today? How's your day going? Hope you're doing well. Examples: good morning, how are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. Avoid saying only hi in formal meetings. Part 3. Talking to colleagues. Common office phrases. Can you help me with this? Could you please check this? Let me know if you need help. I'll get back to you. Examples: can you help me with this report? Sure, I'll check it. Part 4. Talking to boss or manager. Use polite and respectful English. May I speak with you? I need your guidance. I'd like to discuss something. Please let me know your feedback. Examples: may I speak with you for a minute? Yes, sure. Never speak too directly or casually. Part 5. Meeting English. Common meeting phrases. Let's start the meeting. Today's agenda is: any questions so far? Let's move to the next point. Ending a meeting. Thank you, everyone. Let's stay in touch. Meeting is adjourned. Part 6. Email and work task phrases. Office task phrases. I've sent you an email. Please find the attachment. I'm working on it. The task is almost done. I'll update you soon. Examples: have you completed the task? I'm working on it. Part 7. Problems and solutions. Professional problem phrases. There seems to be an issue. We need a solution. Let's fix this together. I'll look into it. Never blame directly. Say, let's find a solution. Part 8. Office politeness and culture. Very important phrases. Please. Thank you. Sorry for the delay. Excuse me. Examples: sorry for the delay. Thank you for your patience. Politeness builds respect. Part 9. Ending workday and motivation. Ending phrases. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Take care. Motivation. You don't need perfect English. You need clear, polite English. Practice daily. You will improve. Thank you for watching.